Most people choose the most boring option for video titles, like my morning routine or my fitness journey, but in reality, who's going to want to click on that? Why not? Because it's boring. It doesn't make the person think, it doesn't make the person go, this looks good, I'm going to watch this. And that's what you need to be doing with YouTube. When they're looking for a video, most of the time people want to gain something out of the video, and if that's not clear from the thumbnail or the title, no one is gonna want to click on your video. Now, one way that you can see if your videos are getting clicked or packaged properly is by looking at your click-through rate. If you see you've got a high click-through rate, that means your titles and your thumbnails are good. Keep on doing what you're doing, but if you've got a terrible one, work on it. Do these things I'm going to mention in this video. Just think as a viewer. If they're scrolling really fast through YouTube and your video is not stopping them and going, I need to watch this, this looks good, then you're doing it all wrong. You need the blue cow, as Mr. Beast does say. If you go past a field and see a normal cow, you're not going to look. If you see a blue one, you'll look and you'll go, what's this? And click on it. That's what you want. You want to be one that stands out from the others. Maybe a unique twist, maybe a title that's good. There's loads of different ways. But if you've got a boring title that says, I got a bum implant, no one's going to want to watch that. And here's the truth, viral videos do three things really well. So in your titles, don't be giving the whole story away. Create a what happens next. So when I look at a video and then it's got a really catchy title and I'm like, this is intriguing, what actually happens? Let me watch it. For example, how I lost weight. Instead, you could do a video like, I lost 20 pounds eating pizza every day. It just makes them think and it makes them stop and go, what the hell is this video? And another one that can help is giving people something. So most of the time people want to gain something from a video. Now, if this is what your content's around, here's some good titles. This free website will blow your mind. Something like that. It's short, it's snappy, and it will get your viewers clicking. The simple trick that skyrocketed my views, that's also another good one. People will be like, what? What is this? Click, view. Or something like this. I 10x'd my YouTube from doing this one thing. You're telling them what you've done and how you've done it. And sometimes if you want to add a period as well, that's another good thing to implement in your titles. Like, I woke up at 5 a.m. for 30 days straight, this happened. Something like that. Now here are the most viral titles that you normally see or that you've probably seen on your For You page or recommended page. So you've probably seen I lived like Elon Musk for 7 days. There's a lot of people doing I live like Eman Gatsi and all these other people. That is a good thing because people want to see what you do differently, what things the person does, who they're acting like, who might not be on social media that much. There's also another one like how I gained 100,000 subs with one video. That's going to create curiosity and people are going to want to click that because they want to do the same thing as what the person's just done. So give the viewers a reason to click. If there's not a reason to click, they're not going to click. They're not going to want to view your profile or your video. Now it is very simple. You don't have to complicate it. But of course, having a good title is a main part of a video. It's how you get clicks and it's how you get views. But also to back it up is thumbnails. If you don't have a good thumbnail as well, it's not going to be good. It needs to have good title and good thumbnail. If you want me to make a video on good thumbnails, let me know. I'll give you some tips. I'll give you a free PNG package and you can use it to make better thumbnails. So if we scroll through our recommended page now, we'll see some interesting titles and maybe thumbnails. So like this one here, as you can see, I bought a dead channel and revived it. This is creating suspense and what happens next, and he's got a lot of views from it. Yeah, he might have a lot of followers and subscribers, but it's a good video. He's packaged it well and he's done well. People want to see this. People want to see what happens when people do stuff that's never been seen before. The more good YouTube videos that I do watch is these Minecraft videos. Now the reason I watch them is because their package are very good and the thumbnails are very good also. So Minecraft, but it's 100 years Village of War. People want to see that. People want to watch the war, the full movie, whatever they want to watch. And as you can see, it's got 1.6 mil. And the majority of them type of videos do have over 1 million of views. So it's probably a good way to be going down if you do want to start some content. Now, if we scroll further down, obviously seeing more, I tried Ultimate Editors. He's trying courses. Obviously, people want to see that. They want to see what they're like and if they're worth it. So he's getting views from that. Obviously, this is a new kid. He's got 1K subs, or 2K. And that video did pop off for him. So this is just how you got to package your videos. And here's a very good example here. This is a boring shit thumbnail. His title is really good. How much YouTube paid me for 1.3 billion views. People want to see that. No one talks about it, and it's a good topic to be talking about. Now, I do have a little challenge for you guys now. So I want you to go to ChatGPT and I want you to just type up some video ideas, tell them what your channel's about and what you want to make videos about. So once you've typed this up, I want you to get some 5 of the best titles from here. And I also want you to write 3 of your very own. Now, these titles, I want you to include some dates, like this took 30 days, I've done this in 30 days, etc. And I want you to also create some, how I gained 1 million subscribers in 2 days or something. Something pretty insane and crazy and something that people want to watch. Write them down, see which one's the best, and then pick it. And once you've picked some video ideas, I want you to put them in the comment. And I will brutally rank them and see which one's the best. But the reason why I want you to go to AI and ask for some video ideas is because it will spark some ideas and give you some idea of what you want your next video to be about or what the standards are. Because they do give off some really good video ideas sometimes. You've just got to find it. So I'll read some now, whatever it's generated us. So similar style of content. I tried a viral TikTok trend for 7 days. You could do this with a lot of things. I tried creatine for 7 days. I don't know, I'm just giving examples. There's a lot of things to do with that. So it's giving off some good video ideas. 100 people asked style, so that's a really good one. Living like a country, local, that's another good one. People want to see traveling, what it's like in different countries, what it's like exploring. So I'm going to scroll down and you can have a look at these now. Pause the video if you want to have a look, but there's some pretty decent video ideas. Don't steal the ChatGPT ones, but make some of your own, make 3 of your own from it, put them in the comments and I'll rank them. And the main 3 things to take from this video is make your titles something that you would click on. Make it have a what happens next, curiosity, make it suspense. Make it so the person wants to click on it and go, what's happened next? I'll click on this. And also think about having time limits. So 30 days, I done this. Something crazy, like Mr. Beast. Literally, the first video that's come up on Mr. Beast's channel is, I survived the 5 deadliest places on Earth. That's going to make you want to click. On his homepage, we've got this one, 7 days exploring underground city. That's also going to make you want to click. So if you want to have more ideas as well, go to popular YouTubers, look at the videos, look at the titles, look at the thumbnails, grab everything from there and take it and put it into your own. Here's some title templates that you can take and change into your own or whatever you want to do. So we've got the truth about whatever you want to put. We've also got I did something for X amount of days. That's another good one. Then we've also got this thing changed my life. So whatever you want the thing to be about. Why you'll never succeed if you do this thing, whatever you want that to be about. Now 5, harsh truth no one tells you about. 6, hard truth, whatever you want to talk about. So there's some really good templates that you can use. Use them into your own videos. Make sure you focus on your thumbnails as well. Colourful, bright, eye-catchy, and just nice. People want to click on them. But nowadays, you don't really have to try too hard like that one video, as long as it looks good and sounds good. Master all that and you will get views. And I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.